What's up, guys? It's the Food Geek here again. Today, I was actually walking in the store and in the supermarket, and I've come across something that reminded me of my all-time favorite. In South Africa, it's corned beef. The brand is Bull Brand. But what I found here is also corned beef, which is called grated corned beef, and it's actually from Jamaica. So it's Jamaican corned beef. So I'm gonna try my recipe again and see how it comes out and compare it to the taste of the South African one. So let's get cooking. So as you guys can see, it's a bit different in texture compared to the one in South Africa. So it's a lot more meatier, I think. Softer as well. There's still quite a lot stuck at the bottom. So I'm gonna try and So it's time to chow down. So it wasn't like slices. It actually softened up and melted into the chutney. But it still looks good. So let's dig in. It's looking good. Smelling good. Let's get the taste in. So here we go. Well, it did get a bit mashed up, but nonetheless, it's looking good, smelling good. We got some good sourdough bread. Let's dig in. Ooh. Those chilies are kicking. Let's get another bite. It does have a very similar taste, but not the same as the South African one. Let's get some chili in there. It doesn't have a firm texture like the Bull brand. Very similar. It's almost like mince, basically. But you still get that corned beef taste, which is what we look for. And those chilies are hot. Definitely feeling the kick of it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna continue eating now because it's that good. Make sure if you are overseas and you find this brand, give it a try. And yeah, thanks for watching. Keep the likes up, keep subscribing, and show me some love on those comments. Cheers.